Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can make your Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can wear sets on SuperStylist as a fashion designer. So let's get started. First of all, open the SuperStylist app on your device. Now, tap on the outfit that your stylist has been wearing. You might have to wait for some time and also may need to skip some ads. Once you skip your ads, you can find dresses section. Tap on the green tick icon. Next, select the sales option. From here, pick the design you want and then select the tick button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.